So now if you could see clearly, now even though there was some kind of spanning tree, so we're selling the system that it doesn't mean spanning tree does not exist on this device. Spanning tree is still existing on these links, but because now it is spanning tree is seeing all these links as one link, and so it thinks that it's just one link here. And so for that reason, if it's just one link, I don't think spanning tree will block one link. So this is how spanning tree sees this whole 4 links. It's seeing them as one, and that's why it's allowing them to pass traffic. And so just by inspection, if I go on this device, I go on this device, and then I do show, let's say show spanning tree. When I do spanning tree, it's seeing that port. So that's why it's saying PO2, because we created a channel group called channel group 2. It's seeing this spanning tree thinks that there's only one port. So for spanning tree, it thinks that there's only one port, and that's why it's doing that. But if I go back, and instead of spanning tree, I do show IP interface brief. I do show IP interface brief. I'll see this port up there. And then also I see all the other ports also, like the first 4 is saying they're all up. So yes, the 4 ports are all up. If I check all the interfaces, also there's a logical port which has been created. So if I do show VLAN as well, show VLAN is still seeing all the ports F0/1, 0/2, 0/3, 0/4. But at the same time, it's seeing P0/2 as a port as well, even though it is not really a port. And the last command I would also want to check so that you see this is show ether channel. So ether channel summary. Normally they'll say ether channel summary. It's telling me a few things. This is one of the beautiful commands when it comes to ether channels. This is telling me that I've created a channel group here, which is PO2. And it's telling me the protocol I use, PAGP. It's also telling me that all these ports, if you look up there, there's the flags. So it's telling you that P, when you see P, it's telling you that port channel in use. So basically that port is in the port channel. And so all these ports that are down there are in that particular port channel. So it's saying port F0/1, F0/2, F0/3, F0/4 are all part of the port channel. And it's also telling you that SU means that U means that it's in use. S means that you are doing it on switches. So again, you can do port channels on switches and on layer 3 as well. So like router interfaces. And so basically this is telling you that the S is telling you that you did the port channel on a switch, and the port channel is in use, and it is set to PO2, and you're using protocol PAGP, and all these ports are on that as well. And so this is how port channel or ether channel works on a device.